Hello everybody, it is about 91 degrees here today and it is so hot. I am going to not last out here, but today we're going to do an English Comprehensible Input video for building a bucket garden. So I have 5-gallon food safe buckets that I'm going to use to put soil in and then put my seeds in. So I'm going to start a bucket garden. Today we're going to plant some cucumbers, I'm trying to think of all the seeds that I bought. Cucumbers, zucchini squash, cantaloupe, and romaine lettuce. So we are going to get started on that, and hopefully I'll be able to make it out here. It is so hot. I'm gonna have to drill holes into the bottom of these buckets. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start by drilling holes into the bottom for drainage for this bucket garden. So let's get started. Okay, this is not good. This is not gonna work, so I'm gonna have to come back. Okay, I think I came back with the right tool. So we shall see if this works, hopefully. Okay, I don't know what my camera's doing. There's gotta be an easier way to do this. This is not going as planned. Now I have this stuck inside of here. Okay, I have one hole drilled right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is so small. I'm gonna try to make it bigger. I'm definitely not using the right tools for this, but at this point, it is what it is. But this is a drill. I think it's a drill. It might be a driver. I might be using the complete wrong thing, but who knows? Okay, so I'm definitely using my husband's tools incorrectly. But I definitely have the wrong piece, either here or here, I'm not really sure. But he's gonna watch this video and be like, what the heck are you doing? Okay, so I re-drilled the holes. I realized I was using a driver and not a drill. Now I have a drill and I have exactly what I need. So with the help of my husband, I got it figured out. So now I have 5 holes and we're gonna re-drill the other holes. I wanted to go over what I did. So I drilled 5 holes into the bottom of the bucket. This is a white bucket, and I'm using a white food grade bucket to have a garden out of. So I am going to fill this bucket with soil that is over there, and then I'm going to put my seeds into the soil. And then I'm going to water the soil and wait for it to grow. So I am planting 4 different things. So I have 4 different buckets. So I put 5 holes to drain water. I have cucumbers, I have zucchini squash, I have cantaloupe, and I have lettuce. So that's what I'm putting in each bucket. So I'm going to take a scissor and cut open that potting mix over there. So I'll show you that. Alright, so I went to Lowe's and I picked up this organic, I don't know if you can see this. So this is what I'm going to fill my bucket with. And I'm gonna pour this into there. Today I am turning these buckets into a garden. And honestly, filling buckets with soil sounds boring, but it's weirdly satisfying. The soil falls into the bucket slowly. Chunk, chunk, chunk. Some of the soil is dry. Some of it is wet. I scoop the soil into the bucket and pour it in. Again and again and again. This takes time. A lot of time. Look at the soil. It's dark brown, soft, a little fluffy. Good soil is important because plants get nutrients from the soil. Bad soil equals weak plants. Good soil equals healthy plants. So I want these buckets to have really good soil. I fill one bucket, then I fill another, then another. At first, it feels fast, but after a while, it feels endless. Bucket after bucket. This is the part of gardening people don't always show. Gardening is peaceful, but it is also work. Dirty work, heavy work, slow work. All right, now I'm going to fill up my second bucket. This soil is a mix of compost and potting soil. Compost helps feed the plants. Potting soil helps hold moisture. Together, they make a good home for roots. And honestly, this soil smells so good, like fresh earth after rain. If you garden, you know the smell. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. The bucket is starting to fill up. You can actually see the level rising. Roots need air too. Plants are kind of picky. Too much water, bad. Too little water, also bad. Too compact, bad. Too loose, also bad. Plants are dramatic sometimes. This bucket is definitely heavier now. At the beginning, I could move it with one hand. Now, not happening. Now I'm just going to move this soil around so that there's no clumps. That looks pretty good. All right, first bucket done. All right, now I'm going to fill up my second bucket. It is kind of crazy because I thought I would only need one bag of soil and I need two. So thankfully I bought 2 bags of soil. So I filled up 2 buckets already and now I have 2 more buckets to fill up. So it looks like we'll have just enough. Here's my setup. I have 2 buckets filled up with soil. So I used 1 whole bag of soil and now I'm going to use a second bag of soil. So here are my 4 buckets. Okay, so I have 3 seeds, 3 cucumber seeds, and I am supposed to plant each of them about a 1/2 inch down. That looks about good to me. Oops, I dropped the second one. I'm gonna do that and pat it in, and I'm gonna do that and drop that one in.